Alright, so we're going to do a few of the evens. That way you can get some help for the odds. So something to remember is, TOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent is opposite over adjacent. Alright, so if I'm looking for x here, I want to find out x. This angle is 73. Here's the hypotenuse. Here's the opposite side and the adjacent side. So I know, I want to know adjacent, I know hypotenuse, so right there. So cosine of 73 is the adjacent side, so that's x over 6. So that's adjacent over hypotenuse. Now before I punch anything in, I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. And that's going to get x alone. So now I know that x equals 6 times cosine 73 degrees. So I take my calculator now and I just type that in. 6 times cosine 73. Enter. So x is 1 point, and it says round to the nearest tenth. So 1.75, so I should round up to 1.8. Alright, number 4. So here's the angle I'm looking at. Here's the hypotenuse, the opposite side, and the adjacent side. I want to know opposite, I do know adjacent, so I look right here, opposite, adjacent, so I want to do tangent. Tangent 37 equals opposite over adjacent, x over 12. That's opposite over adjacent. Multiply both sides by 12. So I get 12. Tangent 37 equals x. Type it in. So x equals 9.0. That's rounded to the nearest tenth. Next one. Here's the angle. Hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. I know the opposite, I want the hypotenuse. So if I look back up here, the sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Sine 51 equals 14 over x. So I'm going to solve for x first. So that cancels, so just x equals 14 divided by sine 51. So I type that in, 14 divided by sine 51 degrees. So x is 18.0. Last one we'll do on this side. Here's the angle, opposite, hypotenuse. This one's going to look just like the last one. And here's the adjacent side. So again, I'm doing sine of 15 equals 16 over x. So if I look up here to what happened here, I know that x is 16 over sine 15. So I'll type that in. So x is 61.8. We don't know the units here, we just know that's the distance. Alright, that's it for the front. Now we'll do the back on a different video.